Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include parking assist system, towing package, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2018 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.